Good morning, and welcome to a new day filled with possibilities. Thank you for joining me as we embark on a journey that connects two of the most important aspects of our lives, health and wealth. Today, we're diving into a fascinating story where the worlds of medicine and finance collide, one that's not only making global headlines, but also shaping the future for millions. We'll explore a company with a rich legacy, a name that's been trusted for generations in the pharmaceutical industry. This company is pioneering a new class of medicines that are not just changing lives, but also redefining what's possible in healthcare. These innovations are sending shockwaves through the financial world as investors and analysts scramble to understand the impact. Whether you're an investor looking for the next big opportunity, a healthcare professional, or simply curious about medical breakthroughs, there's something here for everyone. Our goal is to break down a complex and rapidly evolving topic, so you feel both informed and engaged, no matter your background. The conversation around weight loss has shifted dramatically, from quick-fix fads and trendy diets to serious science-backed medicine that's offering real hope to millions struggling with obesity and related health issues. These new treatments bring not only hope, but also important questions about access, affordability, and the long-term effects on both individuals and society. Today, we'll focus on Eli Lilly, its groundbreaking drugs, and the ripple effects they're creating in both the medical and financial worlds. So, what does this revolution mean for our health, our wealth, and our future? Let's get started and find out together. So, who is Eli Lilly? You may know the name, but their impact runs deep. Founded in 1876, Lilly pioneered high-quality, physician-prescribed medicines, radical for its time. From mass-producing penicillin in W2 to launching the first commercial insulin, Lilly has tackled major health challenges for over a century. This expertise, especially in diabetes, set the stage for their latest breakthroughs. Today, Lilly is a global pharmaceutical giant, with its recent success in diabetes and obesity capturing worldwide attention. This is the company at the heart of our story. How do these new medicines help people lose weight? It's a question that's on the minds of millions, as obesity rates continue to rise and traditional solutions often fall short. The answer lies in harnessing the body's own natural signals, specifically the hormones that regulate hunger and fullness. Scientists have spent years decoding these complex pathways, and now their discoveries are transforming treatment. Drugs like Mounjaro and Zepbound work by mimicking two key gut hormones, GLP-1 and GIP. These hormones travel from the gut to the brain, sending powerful messages that suppress appetite and boost metabolism, making it easier for people to eat less and burn more energy. By targeting both hormones at once, these medications amplify the "I'm full" signal, leading to greater and more sustained weight loss than older drugs that only targeted one pathway. Unlike the diet pills of the past, which often relied on stimulants and came with harsh side effects, these new injectables work in harmony with your body's biology. They avoid the jitteriness and heart risks that plagued earlier treatments. Not only do they reduce cravings and help manage blood sugar, but they also support long-term health by lowering the risk of diabetes and heart disease. This marks a fundamental shift in how obesity is treated, focusing on root causes, not just symptoms. And the innovation doesn't stop there. Eli Lilly is developing an oral pill, or Forglipron, for those who prefer not to inject, and a next-generation injectable, retatrutide, which targets 3 hormones for even more dramatic results. Early clinical trial data is astonishing, showing up to 24% body weight loss in some patients. That's a level of effectiveness never seen before in obesity medicine. This relentless pace of innovation is capturing the attention of both the medical community and investors, fueling hope for millions who struggle with weight. The future of obesity treatment is being rewritten right now, with new possibilities emerging every day. That's why all eyes are on Eli Lilly as they lead the charge into a new era of hope and health. In pharma, being first or best is everything. And right now, Eli Lilly leads the obesity market. Mounjaro's superior results in studies have made it the preferred choice, boosting Lilly's value to over $800 billion. Strategic wins and a robust drug pipeline, including retatrutide and orforglipron, have widened the gap with rivals like Novo Nordisk. Lilly's diverse portfolio, from injectables to pills, fortifies its market share and meets varied patient needs. The company has also managed manufacturing and supply better, keeping up with explosive demand. In a market this hot, simply delivering the product is a huge edge. Superior efficacy, innovation, and execution have put Lilly in the driver's seat. That's why it's pulled ahead in this historic race. The numbers behind this revolution are staggering. The global anti-obesity drug market is booming, reshaping the entire pharmaceutical industry. In India alone, the market grew sixfold in 5 years, a trend mirrored worldwide. For Lilly, this means record-breaking growth. Its diabetes and obesity division is up 41% this year. Mounjaro and Zepbound are among the most successful drug launches ever, fueling massive revenue and reinvestment. Investors have noticed Lilly's stock has soared, trading at a premium thanks to high growth expectations. This isn't just one company's story. It's a shift in how society treats obesity as a chronic disease, not a lifestyle issue. The potential market is hundreds of millions globally, with analysts predicting over $100 billion in annual sales. That's the economic engine driving Eli Lilly's rise. Amid the excitement and hope surrounding these new treatments, it's crucial to recognize the risks and realities that come with them. While the potential benefits are significant, the journey is not without challenges. These drugs can cause a range of side effects, nausea, vomiting, and even more serious complications like pancreatitis. Some people may also experience headaches, fatigue, or digestive issues. It's important to remember that everyone reacts differently, and what works for one person may not work for another. These medications are not a cure. Stopping the medication often leads to weight regain, making them a long-term commitment for many. Lifestyle changes, like healthy eating and regular exercise, remain essential for lasting results, even when using these drugs. There's growing concern about misuse, with some seeking these drugs for cosmetic reasons rather than medical need. This demand fuels a dangerous black market, where unregulated products can put people at serious risk. Unregulated versions can be unsafe and contribute to shortages for those who truly need them. Patients with genuine medical conditions may find it harder to access their prescriptions, leading to frustration and health setbacks. Cost is another major barrier, over $1,000 a month in the US without insurance. This high price tag sparks ongoing debates over drug pricing, insurance coverage, and who gets access to these life-changing treatments. Political pressure is mounting, with calls for lower prices and fairer access. These debates could potentially shift costs globally, affecting patients and healthcare systems around the world. All these realities must be carefully weighed against the promise of these treatments. The decision to start medication is deeply personal and should be made with full awareness of the risks and benefits. The story is as much about access and ethics as it is about scientific innovation. Balancing progress with responsibility is key. Informed choices matter more than ever. By understanding the full picture, patients and providers can work together to make the best decisions for individual health and well-being. Eli Lilly's stock journey has been a wild ride. Fueled by drug success, its value soared, making it a market star. But even the hottest stocks face turbulence. Lilly's shares dropped 29% from their peak, erasing $250 billion in value. This wasn't just about Lilly. The whole sector felt the shock. The drop was triggered by cooling investor enthusiasm and political uncertainty over drug pricing. It's a reminder. Stock prices reflect both hope and fear about the future. The rise was about growth potential, the fall about risks and competition. The stock has since stabilized, but the lesson is clear. Volatility is part of the game. Investing in innovation means embracing both the highs and the lows. So what's next for Eli Lilly's stock? The opportunity is huge. Obesity is a global crisis, and only a fraction of patients are being treated. New drugs like orforglipron and retatrutide could expand the market and cement Lilly's dominance. But challenges loom: pricing pressure from governments and fierce competition from rivals like Novo Nordisk. A surprise breakthrough from a competitor could change everything. Success depends on execution, launching new drugs smoothly, defending patents, and navigating political risks. If Lilly manages these, growth could continue. If not, its high valuation could make it vulnerable. The future is promising, but far from guaranteed. Investors and patients alike are watching closely. As we wrap up, I hope you feel more informed about this remarkable intersection of health and finance. Eli Lilly's story shows how medical innovation can ripple through society and the economy. These new treatments offer hope, but they're not magic. Success comes from partnership with your doctor and a holistic approach. On the financial side, remember, even the strongest stocks carry risk. Do your research, know your limits, and invest wisely. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Stay curious and engaged. Wishing you health, prosperity, and informed choices on your journey. Have a great day.